Karen Bass was born in 1953 in Los Angeles, California. She grew up in a middle-class neighborhood where her dad was a mail carrier and her mom stayed home to raise the family. Karen saw early on that many people in her community needed help. She saw neighbors struggling with health problems, housing issues, and violence. Even as a child, she dreamed of making things better. Karen loved science and learning. She thought about becoming a doctor one day. She also loved helping others. She volunteered at the hospital and joined programs to serve her neighborhood. Her caring spirit started to shine when she was very young. Karen Bass went to college and studied healthcare. She became a physician assistant and worked in hospitals and clinics helping sick people. But she noticed something important. Many of the people she saw were sick because of the places they lived. Pollution, poor housing, and violence were making people unhealthy. Karen wanted to fix those problems before people got sick. In the 1990s, Karen created the Community Coalition in South Los Angeles. This group worked to bring neighbors together to make change. They helped close down dangerous liquor stores and open safe community spaces. They made sure schools were supported and young people had activities and mentors. Karen worked day and night with families to build a safer place for kids to grow up. Karen Bass saw that real change needed laws and policies to be fair for everyone. So she ran for public office. In 2004, she was elected to the California State Assembly. She worked hard and listened to her district. She focused on helping foster children, healthcare workers, and families in need. In 2008, something big happened. Karen Bass became the Speaker of the California Assembly. She was the first Black woman in the United States to ever lead a state legislative chamber. That means she helped guide how laws were made in California. During the Great Recession, she led with calm leadership, helping keep programs that supported schools and families. In 2010, Karen Bass was elected to the United States Congress. She went to Washington, D.C. to represent her district in Los Angeles. In Congress, she focused on justice, health, and helping young people in foster care. She joined important committees and worked with both parties to pass helpful laws. Karen listened to people's stories, especially children and families. She believed that everyone deserved to be treated with fairness and care. She often said that politics should be about people, not power. In 2019, Karen Bass became chair of the Congressional Black Caucus. This group is made up of African American lawmakers who work to support civil rights, economic fairness, and justice. Under Karen's leadership, they pushed for police reform, education programs, and support for Black businesses. Karen Bass also traveled to other countries to help improve relationships and peace. She led trips to Africa and Latin America to build understanding. She wanted the United States to be a country that worked with others to make the world better. In 2021, Karen Bass announced she would run for mayor of Los Angeles. This was a big decision. The city was facing many problems, including homelessness, high rent, and public safety issues. Karen believed her experience in government and community work could help. She ran a campaign filled with hope. She spoke with families all over the city and promised to work for everyone. She wanted kids to feel safe in their neighborhoods and for parents to have good jobs and homes. In 2022, Karen Bass made history. She became the first Black woman to be elected mayor of Los Angeles. This was a powerful moment for the city and the nation. She was proud but also ready to get to work. As mayor, she started strong. She declared a state of emergency on homelessness to get people help faster. She worked with shelters and housing programs to move unhoused families off the streets. She focused on making government programs easier to reach and faster to deliver support. Karen Bass often says her job is to serve everyone. She visits neighborhoods, listens to children, speaks at schools, and meets with business leaders. She believes that everyone's voice matters. Her team is working to build affordable housing, improve mental health services, and create opportunities for young people. She believes a better Los Angeles is possible when people work together. She reminds the city that leadership is not about being the loudest. It's about being the most caring. Karen Bass has spent her whole life lifting others. From healthcare to politics to mayoral leadership, her goal has always been to serve. If you like this video and would like to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share with others.